Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifah. Today I'm going to be your fitness trainer. Yes, of course, I'm going to be your fitness trainer, and we are going to focus on our ab workouts on our belly. So today we are just going to do like for 5 minutes. It's going to be friendly, I promise. And please, you're welcome. Come and work out with me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Without any further ado, as always, I think let's get started with our workouts. And the first thing we are going to do is keep it with me here. So we are going to first do flutter kicks for for 30 seconds, and this is our timer just to guide us. Yeah, so I think we can now start. Are you ready? I'm ready. So 1, 2, 3, 30 seconds. You feel your core burning and shivering. 20 seconds. So 30 seconds, we are done. You can relax, take a chill for only like 10 seconds. Then we do our other workout. And now we are going to do leg rises for 1 minute. And we go for 1 minute. Half a time. 30 seconds to go. If you feel like this is hard for you, you can take a rest, but keep going. So 1 minute is done. Now you can take a rest. If you have some water or water with you, you can be taking some sips. Then next thing we are going to go for, it is called ankle touching. Yeah. So lie on your mat flat or on your floor. Then we are going to do this for 1 minute. Make sure that you don't strain your neck. You're not supposed to feel any pain around this area. If you're feeling pain, then it means that you're doing it in a wrong way. Half a time, remaining 30 seconds. Keep going. Ten seconds to go. You can now rest. If you have some water, you can take a sip with you. Let's rest for 10 seconds. Then we do our fourth workout, and we are going to be touching our toes. So prepare yourself for this. Again, we are going to do this for 1 minute. Lie flat on your back and start. Make sure that you engage your core. We are doing this for 1 minute. Make sure that you feel like your core is involved in this exercise. Half a time, remaining 30 seconds. Keep going. Whew. Stop. Yeah. Now, our let's rest for just 10 seconds. Then our last ab workout. We are going to do a plank, and we are going to do it for 1 minute. I think. Are you ready? Let's do this. This is our last workout. We're going to do this for 1 minute. Start. Half a time, 30 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. So we are done. Thank you for working out with me. Please subscribe for more ab workouts. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. Until next time.